Then this will pop in here. Right, I'll go to the local hobby shop and pick up a couple of antenna tubes. I'm going to put this one in here because you'll never get a nut on it. You will never get a nut on it, and if you ever have to get it off, you can get this one off later. You can put them on all of them if you want. It just makes it easier to take it on and off. You get me? And since on this one we only have 3, because I ran out of my standoffs, my little standoffs, those are special. Those are like 5mm ones. Alright, do we have enough room under here, under the top plate, to make this go across? Let's see. I would say that's a yes. That's a definite yes, and you will never break that. Okay, so if that's a definite yes, we're going to keep that tight, and we're going to give you to there. Got me? I don't know if I'll cut them both. Oh, I did. Back in the shop. I'm still got my soldering iron going. We're going to put a male into a female. We're going to hook it up to my helping hands. Where the heck did my helping hands go? It's like I got mad with them and threw them far away. No, here they are. Alright, we're going to pop that in there like that. And we'll tin those up. Okay, then we'll strip and tin these up. Wrong one. Those wires are so huge, dude. You could run your house, your whole house on that. For real. You can run your whole house on this wire. It's so hard to even fit it in that connector. I usually run 13 gauge or 14 gauge depending on the size of the model. Right? Okay. Now we have to put them in the XT60 connector. And let me get some heat shrink here. Okay. Let's let them cool off just a little bit before I put that on. So I'm going to drill some 1/8" holes in here to accommodate the antenna tubes, right? And we'll shove those through there, and I'll pick up a couple of blue antenna tubes at the hobby shop. What I'm gonna do with this now is we're gonna fish it through the top plate. Check it out. While my stuff's cooling, we're gonna fish this LED through the top plate here. Check it out. See that? Bing, bing, bing. And then we're gonna glue it right here. And maybe I'll take a magic marker and go around it. That's so hard to do. You know, just to black out the whole thing. It doesn't matter. So Yeah, that's gonna go like that. That's gonna go like that. This is gonna come across, right? Like that. You'll have two antenna tubes banging out of here. And yeah, I dig it, dude. I really dig it. Line of sight. This baby's gonna be sweet. So where are we at? Let me take this apart again. And that won't be the last time, right? Let's get this antenna thing out of the way so I don't burn it. Or use the end as solder. Yeah, that'd be funny, huh? Right, so here we go. I might have a little bit too much in this one. Let me see if I can pull some of that. Okay. This is the toughest part, getting it number 12 in here. Ooh, that one wants to go right in. Okay, now we need some weight. We need some weight. Something that won't let it move. Got me? Put some weight behind it. Here we go. Let's clean this. I like using the little one for this because you just gotta use it to get it hot. Oops, stop. Forgot the heat shrink. Positive. Where is it? Where is it? Let's cut another one. Here we go again. Bada bing. You still watching? You see me burn myself? Alright, we're gonna do the other side now. And since this is coming across like there, let's turn it all around so it's in the position it's gonna be in, so it takes on that. You see, that's where we want it. So let's go with that. Alright, we're gonna Loctite all of these. That don't look good. That looks way better. We won't use that one. And I like having all my motor screws in when I start. That way there's no problem getting the screw in the hole after you do it. No fiddling around touching the motor to get the screw in the hole. As long as you don't tighten them all down, you can go at this pretty quick, right? Right? Let me wipe that one off. I just sent a picture to the owner, and he just emailed me back. I'm sure he has some. Oh, there he is again. He's nonstop. This won't stop now. This guy is gung-ho. I love it. It's my kind of guy. All right. Okay, so see that? How I didn't have to touch anything in the motor section to move it, to get it going. So now they're all Loctite, and I'm going to give them all a nice little wrench down. Yeah. And that's it. Move on to the next one. You just don't want to forget one. And I hate getting this on my fingers. It's because I screwed up right there. Look at, that's why I hate getting it on my fingers. I think it's on the wrench. Alright, let's give those a wrench down. Oops. Okay. Alright, next one. I had to clean those off. Alright. Pardon me. This is going to be a great video. I love how the light's flashing. Okay. All four of those. Right? Make sure they're snug, you know? I know they're snug because they've been in and out already. Twice. You don't want to overdo this. That's it. On to the next one. See how easy that is? Okay, those two. Now these two. See, you do them one at a time and there's no screwing around with trying to line them up. They're just lined up. Voila! We've got the battery little rubber thing on there. The good battery strap. We sanded out those holes. We got this on here. Let me pull off my XT60. That was just to cool it down while I soldered the other one. I'll get the heat gun on these two pieces of heat shrink. This thing is complete. All it needs is the blue antenna tubes and me to throw it onto the computer. So that's what we're going to do next. I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to walk through the setup. All right.